Did you know an 89-year-old grandmother is still one of the world's most wanted jewel thieves? Meet Doris Payne. For 60 years, she's walked into high-end jewelry stores and walked out with millions in diamonds. Her secret? Pure charm and clever tricks. Here's how she does it. Doris enters a fancy store dressed like a wealthy customer. She asks to see expensive pieces, chatting sweetly with salespeople. While they're distracted by her stories, she slips rings and necklaces into her purse or pockets. Her techniques are so smooth that cameras barely catch her moves. Store workers think she's just a nice old lady looking at jewelry. By the time they realize something's missing, Doris is long gone. Police across 5 countries know her name. She's been arrested dozens of times but keeps coming back. Even in her 80s, she can't stop the thrill of the heist. Doris proves that sometimes the most dangerous criminals hide behind the most innocent faces. Age is just a number when you're this good at what you do.